Hi guys, it's your girl WiniClaire back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can still achieve flawless brows even though your brows aren't carved. Because sometimes we think, oh, you need to carve your brows before you can get flaky brows. I mean, for best results, yes, carve your brows. But then in the case where you cannot do that, this video is for you. Okay? So keep watching and we'll get right into this video.
So I'm starting off with my bare brows. So first of all, I brush my brows, or rather you have to brush your brows gently so that you can reveal or see the natural arc or natural line that your brow has. Then next we're going with our eye pencil and you just gently trace under your brows. So you also want to trace the top of your brows, obviously, just to give yourself an arc. So you just gently draw over it. So next you start to fill in your brows. Now don't try to get any of the hairs outside the drawn eyebrows just because we're going to conceal that. So don't bother about the hairs outside it. Just fill in the brows and then try not to make it too thick or try not to avoid any dark spots. So after that, I'm going to go in with my spoolie and in the opposite direction with which my brows goes, I'm going to just brush the brows. I would say my hair, but then frankly, I have no hair there. So I'm just going to brush in the opposite direction and then upwards and outwards. This is just to prevent any bald spots or empty holes that are not being filled, just to blend everything together. So now I brush it up and then I align them with the spoolie. So I'm going to do that with the next brow. As you can see, you just outline the brows and you just naturally see your line. So the next step is to clean out my brows using my angled brush and my foundation. So I'm going to use black opal for today. So when doing my foundation, I'm going to just lightly clean out the brows and then go in an upward and downward motion in the beginning of the brows just to give it a neater look. Then for the inner parts, that's the arc of my brows, I'm just going to slide through gently just so that we can have it clearer. Now note, your hairs may block you, but ignore that. We're going to conceal the hairs with our foundation and concealer. Next, you go in with a concealer about 2 shades lighter just to bring out the brows and give it a 3D effect. So I'm just going to go on under my arc, under the arc of the brows alone for the lighter shade, just to make it look neater and to make the eyebrows pop more. you can choose to stop at using the concealer, but because I want more effect, I'm going to go in with my Bella Pierre highlighter. I'm going to just apply it the same way I applied my concealer, just under the arc of my eyebrows, just to make it pop more and make it just shine.
It for this video, guys. It was really short, really helpful. I hope it was helpful to you. For my old subscribers and people that have already been with me, hi once again. I miss you so much and I'm glad that I could do this video. And for the newbies who are just watching this video or just, you know, learning or hearing about me for the first time, welcome, 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 welcome. I'm WiniClaire and this is WiniClaire. And this channel is about beauty, so I'm just going to be showing you tips on how to look beautiful, classy and confident, and how to raise, I forgot the word raise, guys, how to raise your head high and be confident with your beauty. So if you would like, or if you like the content of this channel, then please consider subscribing. Come and join the family. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with me. Let's grow together. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Those are your friends. Those are friends that don't shave their brows. You know them. Share it with them. They will need it. I mean. And also comment if you enjoyed this video. Comment if it was helpful to you. Comment if you're one of us, you know, one of the uncarved brow gang, you know. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. My neighbors can probably hear me and they probably think I'm crazy. Oh well. Don't shake. Whoa. By the way, peep my basketball shorts. Guys, once upon a time, I played basketball. Once upon a time.